BXL Creative is one of the leading packaging design and manufacturing company. We specialize in cosmetics, jewelry, luxury goods, food, and daily necessities industries. Create best-selling products and create strong brands for our customers. Customize solutions for your product, packaging needs. 5 factories odd Moroim service. Listed company, fast delivery and excellent quality. Your best choice. Contact us now.